Imagine a world where everything worked as expected. No faults, no breakdowns, no problems. Now let's be realistic. We understand turbos can fail. However, we imagine a world where repairs only have to be done the once. That's why our turbos and parts are all designed, engineered, and manufactured in-house to OE specifications. Why we are seen as the global leader in our industry, and why our customers choose us again and again. Consistent manufacturing, in-house engineering excellence, and our ethical business principles means the parts we produce are trusted, reliable, and match OE performance. If you imagine a world as we do, choose Melett, the trusted brand for the aftermarket.